Hello students. Now let us understand about the Windows 10 features. Windows 10 is an software, it's an application, it's an operating system which is used nowadays. It is the latest operating system developed by the Microsoft. It has a many great tweaks that can help you in your daily stuff activities. The different features are: it's free, means you can download very easily. It have a start menu like the older version have. It have a Cortana features. Well, we are using our virtual assistant in our smartphones and tablet. In the same we can get in our desktop and the laptops also. It have a Xbox app and streaming, which is also using a Windows 10. It is for the game lover will get the ability to control their apps and they can stream it to their laptop and the desktop screen. Next, continuing with the features, it have a universal app, Edge browser, new enhancement, continuum mode, etc. And let us understand about the Windows 10 desktop screen. I think very well we know that the first display screen is known as a desktop. After loading the operating system, which the screen comes, is known as a desktop. The small pictures, labeled pictures, are present on the desktop screen is known as a icons. The bottom bar, the long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the screen is known as a taskbar. It also have a start menu like the older version have. It have a search box also. Search bar means the search box, and you can create the shortcuts also. You can add the virtual desktop as well. For adding the virtual desktop, different steps are given below. You can go to the Windows key plus tab. You will find like this, and then you have to go through the task view pane and click the new desktop to add the virtual desktop. If you have a 2 or more desktop already, you can open and add the desktop button will appear, and the shortcut key for adding it is a Windows key plus Control plus D. You can customize also your desktop. Windows 10 includes a bunch of personalization settings and lets you change your desktop backgrounds, Windows color, lock screen backgrounds and more. For changing the screen, you can just go through the start button, then the setting and the personalization options. It just look like this. Then you can change your Windows background also by the same work. Choose the picture from the background from the drop down menu like this. Then it will show the few pictures you have to choose, and then browse and locate your own picture. As seen, you can use a start menu, you can use a live tiles, you can use a universal app, and you can display the multiple windows as well.